In this session, we are going to be making this basket. This is a very useful little craft item to have because you can use this as an Easter basket, you can use it for a party favor, it can hold a whole lot of sweets in there. So let's get started. You are going to need a piece of paper that is 6 by 6 inches on either side. You're going to need a handle, and this handle is 8.5 inches by 1/2 inch. Pencil, scissors, ruler, stapler, glue, and some decorations. We first start by drawing a grid 2 inches down and 2 inches again. So what we have done is to just mark that out for you on a white sheet of paper with some red markings. So it's 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and then 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. So we're going to draw that grid across. Okay, I'll come back to what these red lines are in a moment. Once we have drawn those lines, we are going to fold our paper along those lines on all sides. Okay. Now we're going to cut our paper, and these red lines indicate where we're going to cut. So we're going to cut 4 red lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started. 1, 2. I'm going to turn it so I can see. 3, 4. So these are the lines that we have cut. This is what you're going to have. Okay. Now these 2 middle pieces would be the middle section of the basket, and what we are going to do is attach our handle to that. I'm going to turn it over because in this case I want inside of the basket to be the plain color and the outside of the basket to be the pattern. So I'm going to pull these 2 up. I'm going to take my handle and I'm going to make it curl by putting my pencil behind and my thumb on top and just pull. And that's going to condition the paper and make it curl like so. I'm now going to attach the handle to that middle piece, and I'm going to use a stapler to ensure that it is secure. Don't worry, the staple is going to be covered up. Again, I'm going to attach the handle and I'm going to staple it. So now that we have attached our handles, we have the makings of our basket. The next thing we have to do is to deal with these 2 flaps. I'm going to bring these 2 flaps up. Now I'm not going to bring them up all the way to make a square. You can do that, but I want to make a larger basket. So I'm going to bring them up to make this V shape by the handle. And I'm going to stick it into place. I'm going to apply some glue just to the part that will be stuck. I'm going to apply some glue just to this triangle here. That will be the part that will be stuck. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to make a V. And there we have our basic basket. Now I'm going to add some decorations to my basket. You can add whatever decorations you have on hand. You can add a star, you can add a butterfly, you can add gems, foam stickers. You can also decorate the handle with tape if you want to do that. And we have completed our basket. Remember to join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel below and also hit the bell button for notifications and more great craft ideas.